We're learning about how to find the zeros in factored form. So to find the zeros in factored form, they're found by setting each factor equal to 0. So you're going to be setting these two binomials to 0. So x plus 2 equals 0 and x minus 3 equals 0. So what you're going to do is you're going to bring this 2 over to the equal sign. So when you bring a term over a number over the equal sign, it's going to be the opposite of what it is. So x equals -2. So this is one of the x-intercepts. Here, the -3 is going to go over the equal sign, becoming positive. So it's going to be x equals +3. So these are your two x-intercepts. With these two x-intercepts, we can find the axis of symmetry. If you forgot how to calculate the axis of symmetry from Unit 1 from Vertex, all you do is you add the two x-intercepts together. To find the AOS, it's going to be -2 plus 3 divided by 2. So the axis of symmetry, so -2 plus 3 is going to be +1. Yeah, +1. And when you divide it by 2, it's going to be 1/2. But when you do 1 divided by 2, the axis of symmetry is going to be 0.50. So this is the axis of symmetry. Example 2 we have here, y equals -0.5, bracket 3x plus 9, bracket -5x plus 20. So what you're going to do here, same thing as example 1, you're going to sub this bracket by 0 and this bracket by 0. So it's going to be 3x plus 9 equals 0, and -5x plus 20 equals 0. In this case, 3x has a coefficient in front of x, but we're only isolating for x because we need to find the x-intercept. So what you're going to do, the first step is going to be, so you're going to leave 3x, and you're going to bring the 9 over, which is going to be -9. And you're going to divide both sides by -3 because you're only isolating for x. So if you do something to one side, you have to do it to the right side. So x is going to give us -3. So this is one of our x-intercepts. Here, it's 5x plus 20. It's the same thing with this question. You're going to bring -5 is going to be there, and you're going to bring the 20 over, which is going to be -20. And you're going to divide both sides by -5. So negative is going to be positive. It's going to be +4. So with our x-intercepts, we can basically find everything. We can find the axis of symmetry and use the axis of symmetry to sub it back into the original equation. So this is how you find the zeros in factored form.